Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to send post links on Facebook using an Android device. To start, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you have opened the app, navigate to the post that you would like to share with others. Next, locate the share icon underneath the post. This icon typically looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Tap on the share icon to bring up the sharing options. Once the sharing options appear, you will see a list of apps at the bottom of the screen. These apps are different platforms through which you can send the post link. Choose the app through which you would like to share the post link, such as Messenger, WhatsApp, or email. Simply tap on the app of your choice and follow the prompts to send the post link. Your post link will be shared with others through the selected app. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to send post links on Facebook using your Android device. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.